Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am doing a collab with Karen at Starch and Stitches. We will leave her link below because I know you're going to want to see the cute AG dress she also made. We use this pattern, and I changed mine up a bit. I love this gingerbread fabric, but I didn't have very much of it. So what I did was I changed it up with the long sleeves because I thought that would be cuter for the winter, and added this light tan, dark tan fabric with the lace around the bottom, and made this outfit with less gathering around the waist. I decided I didn't like any buttons or bows there so you could see the print better, and I put elastic at the wrists. I will be listing this dress for sale on the dollsrescue.com website. Thank you, Karen, for joining me. I know you all want to go look at her cute little Christmas dress. It is adorable. I have seen it. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to both of our channels, and Merry, Merry Christmas.